Okay, so here is Clear app. So how to install it on your iPhone? So just tap Get and then use your Touch ID or Face ID and to install it on your device. It's 80 megabyte size. And this is the touchless, Clear is touchless. And it's like, you can add a health pass here. You can add more locations. And for example, in airports, in some meetups and all of that. So you can add your health passes, digital vaccine card, and which you can carry and use wherever you choose. It's secure, voluntary, and just takes minutes. So let's open it up. So with Clear app, you can verify your identity and just use all these passes in one app. Then you just need to agree. You can allow your notifications, and then here you can see your locations, whether you want to go in airport, on stadium, on some event, and all of that. So here you can just get a card, get your vaccination record, and then enter your email address and proceed here. So then you can just start registering. So something like this. That's your account here. You can contact support, sign in or sign up. So yeah, that's just a quick overview what you can do here. I hope it was helpful.